Welcome kids, YuviSharma channel. Hello kids. Today we are going to play a fun math game called Guess the right answer for addition. Look at the numbers carefully, add them, and choose the correct answer. Are you ready? Let's start. First question is 3 plus 3. Let's check the options. Is it 4, 5, 6 or 7? Yes, the correct answer is 5. Second question is 1 plus 1. Yes, answer is 2. Next question is 2 plus 1. Yes, answer is 3. Next question is 0 plus 1. Yes, answer is 1. Next question is 4 plus 3. Yes, answer is 7. Next question is 6 plus 2. Yes, answer is 8. Next question is 5 plus 1. Yes, answer is 6. Next question is 5 plus 4. Yes, answer is 9. Next question is 8 plus 1. Yes, answer is 9. Next question is 3 plus 2. Yes, answer is 5. Last question is 9 plus 1. Yes, answer is 10. Great job kids. You did an amazing job solving addition questions. Keep practicing every day and become a math star. See you in the next fun learning video. Thank you kids. Like, share and subscribe to my channel for more learning videos.
Goodbye.